Today I'm here at Goodwill, which is one of my favorite donation drop-offs, but I'm here to kind of dispel some rumors that I hear from clients on where does the stuff go once I pull in the parking lot, and they always help me bring it in. What happens to it from the donation drop-off center? So I'm here with Dorinda, and she is going to tell us exactly how Goodwill distributes the items that people donate.
Well, once you bring your donations to Goodwill, we sort through all the merchandise and we send everything from here to the store. Once the donations get to the store, the staff there, they process the donations and they put them out on the sale floor.
Okay, and so the rumor that everyone picks through the stuff in the back once I leave is definitely not true.
Trust me, it is not true. That is not what we do. We make sure that all the donations that come in gets to the store.
Okay. Well, that is a big thing for me because I am a huge Goodwill fan because it's convenient, and when you're getting rid of clutter, you want to go where it's convenient, and Goodwill is one of my favorite places, and so is Dorinda. So now we know where your stuff goes.
We appreciate that, and thank you for your donation.
Thanks, Dorinda.